So, I'm doing a little fishing challenge. Picked up a little Dockman from Walmart, 10 bucks. Fucking $3 bag of fucking Sankos. We're gonna go see if we can make it happen. Get some bass on this little dock demon. See how fun it is. See how it goes. Alright. Yeah. What's up? Ugly stick miniature. Wacky worm. Yeah. Dock demon. No, just off the dock demon, bro. The push button one. Yeah. Come on. Boom. There we go. A little bit of blood. I'm sorry, bud. Fucking ultralight. Dock demon. Dude, this shit's too fun. Boom. Another one on the Dock Demon. Oh, this shit's fucking awesome. Oh, Ian's got one over there. Hell yep. Oh, I got another one. Oh my god, I barely had that, dude. Another one on the little Dock Demon. This is awesome. And another one. Little Dock Demon putting in work, bro. Dude, this shit's fun as fuck. Dude, that's like my favorite spot right there. It's kind of hard to get them over the reeds, but dude, there's some big fish over there. Last time I was here, I broke off on one. Oh. Damn it. Damn it. Dude, it's so hard because you barely get a hook set with this thing. Yeah. You're like putting no pressure back on them whatsoever. Oh, oh, damn it. Came off right there. Dude, what did you say? So yeah, after I lost that last fish, I put the Dock Demon down, grabbed my fucking bait caster, started throwing the frog. Didn't get nothing on the frog. Tied another Senko onto the bait caster and then cast it out, and then I got this monster. It was a good 3.5 pounds. It was a nice fight. A lot of fun. Hell yeah. Thank you for watching my videos, guys, and hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe and like and comment would help me out. Awesome.